Hello everybody, hope you're doing well and welcome to another tutorial. And today we're learning how to delete your Roblox account from mobile device. Firstly, open up your browser. Go to roblox.com/support. Then fill up your details such as your username and email. Select your device type. In type of help, select delete my account. Then write the description. Now complete the human verification and you're done. And that is how you delete your Roblox account from mobile device. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And we will see you in the next tutorial.